Y'all know I was on these. I slept on the Georgetowns. So when I seen pictures of these, I had to get on them. And they clean. Jones on the soundtrack. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we are reviewing the Air Jordan 6 Georgetown. And you would think that Jordan went to Georgetown because we're seeing way more Georgetown colorways than UNC colorways as of lately. But everyone loves a gray and blue pair. But these are clean. I mean, they're quacking. But mostly every Jordan GR are quacking nowadays. I think since the pandemic, we've been getting more pairs, and people are starting to respect them more, so people are really buying them and rocking them instead of just reselling. But these are clean, guys. Like, y'all gonna hear that maybe 10 more times in this video. The suede is beautiful. This is a clean pair, man. You're talking nubuck upper, college blue or navy blue. What they call it? College navy blue. Dope. I mean, y'all know my gripe. We'll talk about it later. But yeah, man. Let's get into the full in-depth review of this sneaker right now. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So it comes in your animated Jordan box. And I remember when this Jordan box first came out, this was a thing, man. This was a thing. I remember like looking at all the pictures, different pictures of Mike all over. This was a thing when this box came out. But rarely now we usually only see it like, I think Michigan 12s had these. Only certain, I guess maybe only the college sneakers now that I think about it, right? Because I know my Michigan 12s had these, and there was another one that had these. But yeah, you get the winged nice box with all the Jordan pictures all over. You flip open the big thick lid. You get your black tissue paper along with some white tissue paper. And let's start with the price sheet. Here's a 360 view of the Air Jordan 6 Georgetown. I told y'all clean, right? This is a clean shoe. The shoe looks like you just moved into an apartment with gray carpet, man. This is how clean this shoe is. So let's start with the toe box. You hear that? Soft nubuck suede, guys. Not like your Jordan 6 Cactus Jack, as that had more of a brazed joint. This is soft, man. Feels like an eraser. Soft toe box. And really the whole sneaker has that soft, clean nubuck suede. I just want y'all to see that. 4K. Right? You got your Jordan 6 design. You've seen one Jordan 6. You've seen them all. Right? Come to the back. This is my gripe. Why can't we get Nike Air on the booty, man? I mean, I like the Jordan symbol, but the Nike Air logo always pushes the sneaker up a notch, man. But you got a big college, blue, college, navy, Jordan Jumpman logo with the words Air at the bottom. Even the rim that we know and love on the Jordan 6 is in that same clean gray with your college navy blue tab on it. But the whole sneaker's just clean. I don't know why this sneaker's being slept on, man. Right? Even the ankle part is just clean, man. Gray shoelaces, same color as the sneaker. I don't think it comes with any more, but I feel like it should have came with a college navy blue. But I like it, man. The gray tongue looks platinum because it's in a different material than the sneakers, so it looks more silver than gray. There go your Jordan 6 button here, shoelace button. That also has a platinum or gray Jordan Jumpman logo on it. The tongue, same gray also. Reads Jordan with air inside. Let's look in this inside. Your inside is navy blue with a white Jumpman, right? White. Yeah, that could be gray. Yeah, it's gray with a gray Jumpman logo in the inside. Bottom is translucent like it usually always is on a Jordan 6. Very rare this is a different color. That's usually always the same. They get to yellowing after a couple of years, but that means that you got a style, man. I mean, your sneakers leveled up to OG status. But yeah, you can see the white bubble inside. And your bottom is also gray and that translucent with the blue navy in the middle. Yeah, guys, so I think I won these on the sneakers app. I think I paid $228. Right now, they're under retail on StockX, under retail on GOAT, and I'm getting a restock from Soul Links and J23 at least once a day. Finish Line, Champs, they all restocking, man. I like this pair right here, man. I mean, I know there's no hype to it because it's not a collab, but this is a clean shoe, and I think people going to regret it once it finally sells out and they're like, oh, I let my pair go for $200. I think people going to regret this one right here, man. The material's A1, man. A1. It's not a glue stain. Like the Nubuck suede is soft to touch. They did their thing with these, man. I'm kind of mad people are going to be balling in these sneakers. Like, Georgetown's going to be balling in these. These sneakers are clean, man. Yeah, just a quick review on the Georgetown 6s, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these. Let me know if you copped. If you didn't, again, they're under retail, so get them while they low, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.